Okay, so they're doing the intro now, but I just want to kind of do it over. So we were at Target, and our new channel is named WonderLandz. Make sure you subscribe, and we're just doing What Are the Odds. So yeah.
Started, but we decided to film it on the channel. And so yeah, without further ado, please subscribe and let's get started. Okay guys, so Alyssa, do you want me to ask you or?
Double duty.
So what do you want to do?
You have to ask me.
Okay, so what are the odds that you take this double duty kitty litter and you go to and be like, so you had to go to work and be like, I have cats, actually 2 of them, and they actually have hard clumps. So do you think this would work?
I'm not doing that.
Why? Okay, fine.
You backed out of so many.
Okay, I did back out. Okay, so you have to go over here. We are in the laundry section. Oh my god,
Do not eat
I'm
one
not
of
eating those. I'm not eating one. You think I'm crazy? You're like, this is fabric. Do you think this will...
Smells.
You want to do it?
To who?
A worker. We went to a worker and she was so nice.
Yeah.
Okay, go.
I don't want to do that. No, I was.
Oh, okay. Oh, your control. Okay. No, you gotta go over somebody and it'd be like, no, you have to take this and be like, I saw a commercial for these and my mom wanted me to ask a worker here, to see if it would help. Does it help?
No, I'm just gonna say, does this actually work? With that?
Okay. Do that what I saw in the commercial.
I'd be like, my mom just texted me
To get
like,
does it actually work?
fabric softener. Does this work?
Yeah.
Okay, we're trying to find somewhere where we can like actually talk.
Place.
We found a place-ish.
Don't put it like that. Yeah, I don't. And we're in the toilet paper, but we just kind of figured out there are actually a lot of people here. And we found this. We didn't even make it, and
No, we actually didn't.
we didn't make it. We just found it. Well, she found it. So basically, why we stopped is because 2 jerks were like ruining it because they're like, "Did you see those 2 girls?" So that's why we stopped it, and we didn't really want. But I just think we should go back there.
Probably.
Let's make our way.
And I didn't do the dare.
No, because we were kind of in a difficult situation. Okay, so we're in no, we're not in the stall, so it doesn't really matter. But we're gonna try to do it. But we'll get back to you when she's about to do the dare. Oh my god.
We're on our way over.
Might stop and get
Swear to God, I just saw a person in this reflection. Oh yeah, we might get Starbucks. Oh wait, shoot, we passed the candy.
Oh wait, no, it's probably more up there. Actually,
I doubt it. Let's just go
Okay,
get it from back here. Cause I put some aside.
Which candy do you want? Oh, maybe these candies.
I was have eggs
get
out.
those.
Eggs. God, I feel like a freaking idiot.
Why? Those yoga mats are actually really pretty. They're
Yoga mats.
nah.
Alright, we're walking over. Amy will play it. I'm just gonna do this while we're walking over. And it's only us 2, by the way. My parents aren't here. Yeah. So never seen this before.
I know.
It's we got it like an hour ago.
I know. I didn't read them, These are so cute. This is freaking so cute. This is only $9. I feel like actually this is only $9. I could get it for slime.
Well, I don't think the things would fit in there.
No, not the actual slime, like actual slime.
In containers? This is like, there's like nothing in here. I mean, like there's so much stuff in here, but I can't drink anymore.
Why?
It's getting freezing.
Really?
Well,
That is not getting freezing. That is warm. Again, more paper towels. Okay.
We found so many paper towels already.
So we're gonna continue because.
Alright, I need another thing.
What?
There.
Okay, so we're basically doing the same one. Is basically
How the heck did you get that to stay?
we found Easter candy.
Can I just like?
You're gonna go up to
leave this
a worker. No, there's like cast workers. Not a cast worker, like a worker. But oh, is it two? Literally for I don't know. Go. You know. But we're basically just doing this for fun. We're not taking this video like anywhere. Just. So yeah, people like are like that, but it's like because it's a real person on the ground. It's a teddy bear.
I kind of want to get rid of this thing.
Throw it away.
Okay, so
I got a water and a chai. She got just a water because we're actually really thirsty right now. Oh yeah, she got a venti. Sorry.
because I'm actually really hyper. Like I'm going cross-eyed. It's like I'm so tired, but I'm hyper right now.
I literally can't even hold everything, so that's nice. I can't barely hold everything. She's trying. She has her candy. She's trying to find a worker because yeah, she actually does have to ask questions.
No, when we were in the bathroom, before we went in, since we're not, since we're not,
Hey, Mom.
since we're not allowed to,
We were
put
then
food in there. Oh my God!
She threw
I
it
threw it under bras.
into underwear.
No, it wasn't
Well, yeah, but I'm trying to, make it a little better. We should get a stroller for Alyssa. Yes. Oh my God, that was bad, Alyssa.
Yeah, sure, you should try it.
Because he wants sales.
Okay, so we found actually a good spot-ish. Alright.
Some.
I mean, glue.
We'll try. So, okay. So
Oh my God!
we kind of found a place.
There's 100.
We were looking at the baby diapers, and it was just so funny. It was so funny. Anyway,
There's babies.
we're gonna actually try to go find glue. So let's go.
And then we'll figure out what we're doing from there. But obviously,
But this is just basically like vlogs. So yeah.
Oh, that's why you said the hard.
Yes. So much of it.
Oh, we know how to bounce back.
Viva, you're so pretty. You're charming. This is really clingy. She has to stop being cling. She has to stop being clingy.
Stop being glad.
Stop. Okay, we actually have to go find glue
You
though.
know what?
So
I'm very downy today. Feeling like downy.
I'm like unstoppable today. You know what? I think we should just
go to the tide.
no. I think we should just go and gain some glue.
Yeah, we need to like
Gain some glue.
gain some.
Get all the glue. Get all the glue. Okay. Okay. We're gonna stop because we just can't stop snuggling. Okay, that sounds so weird. We just can't stop bouncing. So let's shout. Hip hip hooray! Okay, so Leaf's here. I know.
Football.
You have a really strong aroma.
Yeah, it's only funny once.
Yeah, I did it. I said, ooh, we gotta film it. You just swept me off my feet. That joke was so fun.
Say, wait, hi to the bird. Roll me to the register.
I think I have a lot more speed than you. Let's go make a pillow fort.
I'm a troll hunter.
Guys, there's a shirt that says troll hunter.
I'm such a
beauty, and you're just a beast. That made no sense whatsoever. Oh my god. Whipple.
Why do you have to show your face when you jet? You're like,
I don't know. Let's go find glue.
I found the glue.
Mm-hmm.
Should we get like the big ones?
Mm-mm.
Should we get like
No.
one little one and one
No,
big one?
no. So I'm gonna get a glue wall.
Oh my God!
That's not mine.
It's mine!
Oh. I'm gonna get one of these glue walls. Okay. Or do you want that one? Because this one you can make like foam better and stuff.
Yeah.
Okay, she's gonna get this one. No, let's buy this first, and then
No, because
we might find the clear glue. What the heck?
No, for the diaper activator.
Oh, to try it out? Okay, then get one of the, just one. Don't, not two, one. And then we're gonna try to go find clear glue. Ooh, let's see if they have anything to put in the slime, like better. Ow! Oh, sorry. No, I pushed aisle 50. That's not even a thing. Okay, we're gonna try to go find clear glue. Sorry, this is really. Oh, bad. What the heck was that? This is really bad filming, but like this is actually starting to like clear out. Yeah, it's everyone's going to the mall. So. Okay, we're actually gonna try to go find clear glue. Yeah, we're trying to go find clear glue.
We have to pay for this first, bro.
Duh, I'm gonna try to find clear glue. Okay, yeah, we have to go pay for it. We're gonna pay for it over there. So when we're in the paper store, when we're in the paper store, we'll try to be back. If there's no paper there, we're gonna get another one of like.
No, we didn't find clear glue.
We didn't find any glue. So we're gonna go back to Target.
There was a giant gallon that was $25.
So we had no luck with glue in there. There were again two signs. There was a big gallon, but we don't feel like. Yeah, we don't really want to spend that right now. So we literally spent here what, like $3 and like 23 cents. Like boy.
And I paid with a $5 and
exactly.
$1 bill.
And some change. Germophobic. So right now we actually have to go to the bathroom because I have to go to the bathroom and so she because we have like so much fire back. So, but we're gonna try to look for some clear glue and maybe. Oh my God, is that clear glue? Wait, it's not. Hide stuff somewhere, so maybe we can get good luck. For clear glue. My mom's picking us up in a little bit, so we're gonna quickly run to the bathroom and then
Find stuff.
some stuff to put in slime. And oh my God, we need that. So we were trying to look for some clear glue and oh my God, we couldn't really find this because like our channel's like slime and like vlogs. So we're actually trying to put some. Oh, look at this.
It doesn't stick together.
I know. I tried it before. But I actually have a lot of fun pizza at home, so I mean, wait, what if we get a can? We can try to make candle slime again.
No.
Oh, that didn't work for us last time.
Oh wait, did you guys know that the poop emoji isn't a poop emoji?
It's actually ice cream. It's supposed to be chocolate ice cream.
Yeah.
But we're actually gonna try to. Okay, we just asked, and she said it'd be in the school and office, but like we already looked there. I mean, I don't know. Just walking.
Oh my God, my hand is actually really bad.
It hurts. My stomach hurts.
I'm hungry. We didn't have dinner yet.
No, my mom actually asked us what we want for dinner. So, well, she's coming in Target, so I don't know. She has a shop here, so.
I'm gonna move for Subway.
Me so not. But, we're trying to look for clear glue. She's like, it'll be in the school and office, but like,
That's kind of where
we already looked there. All right, let's look down. Oh my God, can we just at least find one clear glue?
What if you could like make your own clear glue?
What?
What if you could make your own glue?
That would be amazing. Wait, there's clear glue. There's clear glue. Glue sticks.
You could probably melt it.
But I don't know, would that work though? How much are they? They're $4.49 for that, and then they're
$4.49
for a big pack. But then they're over here too, and they're $1.99. I don't know, because I don't know if we should try it. So that's the thing. Will it
I've
work?
done it before.
Does it work?
Yeah, but I didn't have borax.
Ooh, this is actually really pretty. What is this? Paint? Glitter varnish.
Alright, I found this awesomeness.
I don't know. You can buy it. We're trying to find things to put in slime. Oh, imagine the crunch.
This is actually really painful.
Yeah, it probably will be. Okay, what if we put chalk in slime? Wait, should we get another bottle and like do like an experimenting video?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll pay for that bottle now. What bottle? Which one? Wait, we need a basket. Let's go find a basket. We need to go find a basket. Oh, right there. That was literally our luck. We need the basket. Okay. What luck was that? Okay, so I'm buying this. she's buying 2 of these.
Yeah, I'll get 2 of these.
Then I'll just get a big one of this, right?
No, get 2 so we can each have one.
Oh, okay.
So we each have 2 packs.
1, 2, 1.
Oh wait, hang on. We have 3.
2.
We have 3, so just yeah.
So how many? Wait a minute. What? Okay.
We
So
have 3 in the bag
Okay.
already, so we can each have 2.
Okay. So I'm actually gonna try to find stuff to put stuff in.
Right. I mean, you can buy
Paint's
paint
pretty
at
expensive.
It
No, this brand is
Don't
expensive.
you have it at home?
I have a bunch of paint at home, but let's try to look for food dye. Can we look for food dye? I'm gonna look for food dye. I want food dye.
I think we should do something like pink because it's Valentine's.
Yeah. I do have pink glitters at home though too. I feel like we should make it. Oh my god.
Oh wait, no.
I feel like we should make Valentine's Day inspired slimes.
Yeah.
So, do
You want to build a snowman?
yeah. Okay. So basically, if you want to see us make the slime, go check out our next video, right? No, it can't be in this video because this video is gonna be too long. We have to edit it.
Right. We really think we're idiots.
What?
Wait, I want to feel.
But God, Alyssa, come on.
That's actually really heavy.
Well, come on, Alyssa. Okay, we're actually on hunt for food. Do you want to hold this?
I have
My
14,000 stuff. Actually.
Okay. For just walking around here. Okay. Food dye, baking stuff. Maybe the baking stuff. I don't know how much food dye is up. Okay. So, we got the food dye. I mean, the food dye's $3, which is pretty expensive though. Well, I think so. But whatever. We were gonna get a candle to do candle slime, but like last time we did it,
It didn't work. It just came out like chunks.
it was really bad. Oh, someone moved it.
No, I didn't pull it out. Oh, no, stand up. I'm getting a workout.
I need to sit.
Okay, we're going to look for add-ons for this for the slime.
We have 3 glues in here. We are going to try to melt these.
It works though.
It does. And this is clear, so no.
And then we have one more. But
This, and then we have food dye. But the food dye is actually, it comes with. Oh wait, should we get the other one?
what is that?
These are these, or should we get the lighter going? We're off. We're off to see the wizard. The wonderful wizard. When I was running outside, I'm like. Okay, Lil has
Touch
this pillow.
this.
Lil has this pillow, but it's a little bigger. Oh, it's literally, it's like literally like this,
Literally?
but long like this. It's like the size of this one. It's
Oh my god!
it's literally the size of this one. It's all fuzzy though. Lil has it. It's literally the size of this one, but it's all fuzzy.
Is
It's
this
white.
square?
Yeah.
I didn't know it was square.
Okay, let's go. Come on, let's go find glitter. I do have pink glitter out there.
It'd probably be in the craft section. Wait. That's so soft.
No, that was my shoe again.
That didn't sound like a shoe. That did not sound like a shoe.
I'm trying to figure out where the add-ons are.
Wait,
Oh my god.
are these? Oh, they are stickers. If they weren't.
If I was gonna get more glues, we had to make a special glue for. Special slime for.
Oh wait, actually, oh, jeez.
These are $3.99 and they only come with one color. It's so stupid. I do have glitter at home, but like, I don't want we don't have that much colors.
Yeah.
Anyway, so Alyssa just went to the bathroom again. I know, and I'm trying to look for baby oil and some stuff to put in slime to test out. And we came up with a couple things Lily just told me where the baby oil is. And if you want to see all these test products, make sure you go check out our next video, which will be up tonight. I want to get a face mask to put in slime, but Alyssa's saying like it won't change the texture, but we don't really know till we try. But what she wants to do is she wants to get like this face wash thing. It's like $10. Trying to find cheap stuff. But maybe if I can find a gift card or something. I mean, a coupon. Okay, so These are $1.99. That's actually pretty good. Or you can get a bigger one. It's $2. I don't know. But I'll show you what she wants to get. That girl was just looking at me. Because it actually does work as slime, but it's $5.99 and $6.69, so I don't know. So, oh my god. It's like a face mask, but it's $6.99. Sorry for the long. I found out where, she told me where it is. The baby oil. I found this really, really cool face mask. We could try to put it in.
Did you put it in?
No,
Can
I'll show you after.
Can I wear your backpack?
Why?
Because
Sure. Hold this though, hold the bag. Okay guys, so, I was telling them that we could, the video that we're talking about that we're gonna do at home will be in the next video because this will be too long. But she said it's right near like the electronics and then you go across it out to like the baby. I love kind of awkward too. I know. We're not here to look for baby stuff. We're just here for baby oil. No, we need to go back to the makeup section because I'm going to show you the face wash thing, the beige thingy. Okay, so, we just got baby oil, and I'm a little sad because it's $2.99. I know, and I'm getting a little sad.
Right, this is gonna have to be like the last thing we'll get.
Definitely, because we still have some stuff at home we can find, and if this is too expensive, oh well. We'll try it at home, I guess. We'll get something at home. Okay, so let's go. So the thing I was talking about is not in this. It's like so nice. Okay, so we got the guys. So we have a little bit of an issue. It's not down there. Issue. We don't know where her $10 went because we were gonna pay and then we still got it. I used my money. Let's go just like look everywhere. Okay, let's go down here or go down there. Just look on the right. Wait, come in. No. So we were in there. So like okay, and we went to go pay, and we thought it'd be like, oh, we don't have your $10 bill, and that we're kind of pissed about that. We were sitting over here, and they're basically not over here in the bin bag. So we don't really know what to do. We were discussing, not discussing. I said, oh, tell somebody, but like, what would they do? And we have no proof that someone stole it.
I'm pretty sure someone stole it.
Because we had it, she didn't open her purse once. Self-checkout, we can look at the self-checkout over there. Okay, let's just go to go look.
Someone probably took it though.
Yeah, I know, but you should never take money, like, if you just see it. Unless, like, people are not around. No one. We went to go ask the lady if she saw any pills over there. She even spoke English. And, yeah, because I don't really know if she knew what we were talking about.
No.
Because
She said, I had no bill.
yeah, like, I mean, I forgot something like that, but like, oh, so, is this even where we were? No, it was near the food. It's all the way over there, like, all the way over there, so.
No, I'm saying like, which way do
Baby oil. Okay,
her back.
so, my mom's here because she came here because she has to go shopping.
You just met up with her?
Yeah, we just met up with her, but like she had to get stuff for her school and stuff like that, and then like she just had to get food and stuff. But we're looking in the section to sorry. Did you drop it here?
No.
Okay, so you didn't drop it there. So let's see if you dropped it in there. Okay, so